Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 5.8 from the book back exercise from NCERT textbook class 11 Chemistry and the chapter names Thermodynamics. So let's see question number 5.8 from Thermodynamics. The reaction of cyanamide NH2CN with dioxygen was carried out in the bomb calorimeter and delta U was found to be minus 742.7 kilojoule per mole at 298 Kelvin. Calculate enthalpy change for the reaction at 298 Kelvin. So friends, reaction is given and we need to find the enthalpy change, that is delta H. And what is given? Delta U, that is change in internal energy, and the temperature T is given. So first write what is given. Delta U is equal to minus 742.7 kilojoule per mole. Then given is temperature T, which is 298 Kelvin. Now friends, what relationship we have studied with the internal energy and enthalpy is we have two values. First is delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V, and the second one is delta H is equal to delta U plus NGRT. So friends, we are not going to apply the first formula because we doesn't have pressure and volume. It is not mentioned in the question. So come up to the second formula, that is delta U plus NGRT. We are going to apply this formula. In this formula, R is a gas constant. Its value is 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilojoule per mole per Kelvin. Okay friends. Now next is we have to find here it is delta Ng. So we need to find a delta Ng. Delta Ng is the difference in the number of moles of gases. So how we find this? We find this number of moles of gases in the product minus number of moles of gases in the reactant side. So we have come and check. We have two gases here, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, and both have one mole here. So number of moles of gases in product is 2 minus number of moles of gases in the reactant side, only oxygen is present, and number of moles are 3 by 2. It is visible. Now here delta Ng value will be 1 by 2. Now clear? We have now all the values. Delta U is given, delta Ng we find out, R gas constant, T is given. Now apply the values in the formula. Which formula? Delta H is equal to delta U plus delta NGRT. Now substitute the formulas. Delta U is minus 742.7 plus delta Ng is 1 by 2 multiplied by R 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 298. So solve this thing first. Solve this thing inside the bracket. Divide 8.314 by 2 and then multiply it by 298. Whatever the value we get, then move the decimal 3 side leftward so that the minus 3 should be removed from here. Now what we get after this is minus 742.7 plus this value is 1.238. After doing subtraction, we will get the value minus 741.5. This is delta H, change in enthalpy, and the unit will be kilojoule per mole. And this is our required answer friends. Calculation is easy. The numerical is also very easy. So friends, do like, share, subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt regarding the calculations, do write in the comment section. I will definitely solve your problem. Till then, thank you.